I'm Iona Fyfe and I'm coming to you from Glasgow Necropolis. I'm wishing everyone at the St Andrews Society of Toronto a very happy Burns Day. This song is called A Fond Kiss, in which Burns wrote this for Agnes McLehose. A fond kiss and then we sever, a farewell alas forever, deep in head-wrung tears I'll pledge thee, warring sighs and groans I'll wage thee. Who shall say that fortune grieves him, while the star of hope she leaves him? Many cheerful twinkle lights me, dark despair around benights me. I'll ne'er blame my partial fancy, Nathan could resist my Nancy, but to see her was to love her, love but her and love forever. Had we never loved so blindly, had we never loved so kindly, never met nor never parted, we'd nae been so broken-hearted. Fare thee weel, thou first and fairest, fare thee weel, thou best and dearest, thine be ilka joy and pleasure, peace, enjoyment, love and pleasure. A fond kiss and then we sever, a farewell alas forever, deep in head-wrung tears I'll wage thee, warring sighs and groans I'll wage thee.